Hi there, it's Tom from Wise. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that is essential for managing your finances effectively in the UK, getting account details. I will provide you with 7 useful tips to help you through the process, whether you're setting up a bank account or trying bank alternatives. It can feel overwhelming and it can leave you feeling like you don't know where to start. So, I'm going to help you get going. Number 1, research and choosing the right bank. So, before you rush into opening a bank account, take some time to research what's out there and what they can offer you. Look for a bank that suits your needs in terms of fees, services, and accessibility. Some banks might offer better benefits to students or young professionals, while others can cater to expats with specific international banking options. I'd also suggest checking out their customer reviews to see what customers have to say about their experiences. These obviously have to be taken with a pinch of salt, because we all know people are more likely to write a bad review over a good one. But there will still be some signal in that noise. There's a huge variety of banks to choose from. Lloyds, Barclays, NatWest, HSBC, Santander, Starling, the list goes on. But now, we're going to move on. Number 2, find the right account type for you. There are several types of bank accounts available, so it's essential to choose the one that fits your requirements. The most common types are current accounts. These accounts are for day-to-day transactions. It's the standard account for holding, spending, and withdrawing your money. But they aren't all the same. So look for one that doesn't charge monthly fees and gives you access to things like online banking, mobile apps, and contactless payments. Saving accounts. If you want to earn interest on your savings, consider opening a savings account. Shop around for the best interest rates, but also consider access to your funds and any withdrawal restrictions. Basic bank accounts. If you have difficulty getting approved for a standard account due to a poor credit history, consider basic bank accounts. They have fewer features, but they're designed for those who need a simple account to manage their money. However, if you want to manage different currencies and take your money management to the next level, take a look at Wise. Let's say it's your step 2.5 when you're getting account details, like platform 9 3/4 on King's Cross. Before we move to documents, branch visits, and more, take a look if Wise meets your needs. Wise is a money services business alternative to banks that offers you account details in Great British Pounds, a bunch of other major currencies like US dollars, euros, and more. Hold over 40 currencies on a balance, convert them anytime using mid-market exchange rates, access your money with Wise physical and digital cards, send money to over 160 countries, open business accounts, and these are just some of the features. Tap on www.wise.com link or in the description to explore all the functionality and get your account details with ease. Oh yes, opening an account with a bank sometimes is no picnic. It might turn into a lot of paperwork, branch appointments, and weeks of back and forth. To avoid all of these, join more than 16 million Wise customers and quickly get your account details for more than 9 currencies, including Great British Pounds. If you need a step-by-step guide about Wise accounts, tap on this video. Now, back to opening an account with a bank. 3. Required documents. When you open an account online or you visit the bank for it, you'll need certain documents. Proof of identity, usually a valid passport or a government-issued ID card will suffice. A proof of address. Bring a utility bill or a bank statement with your current address. If you're an expat, check with the bank if they accept your foreign address initially. A proof of income. Some banks might require this, especially for overdraft facilities or credit accounts. 4. Online and mobile banking. In this digital age, convenient online and mobile banking services are essential. Make sure your chosen bank offers a user-friendly online platform and a mobile app. These services will enable you to manage your finances, check balances, and make transactions on the go. 5. Fees and charges. Be mindful of any fees and charges associated with the account. Some common fees include monthly maintenance fees, ATM withdrawal fees, and foreign transaction fees. Opt for an account with minimal fees, especially if you plan to use the account frequently. 6. Overdraft facility. An overdraft can be helpful, but be cautious with it. It allows you to borrow money from the bank when your account reaches 0. Make sure you understand the terms, fees, and interest rates associated with the overdraft. Always try to stay within your means and avoid relying too heavily on it, as it can lead to debt if not managed responsibly. 7. Customer service and support. Good customer service is crucial when it comes to banking. Look for a bank that offers reliable customer support, whether through phone, email, or online chat. Prompt and helpful customer service can make a significant difference in resolving any issues or concerns that you might have with your account. Opening a bank account in the UK is an essential step in managing your finances efficiently. Take the time to research your options. choose the right account type, and understand the terms and the fees involved. Remember to keep your personal information and your PIN secure at all times. I hope these tips help you in opening your bank account hassle-free. If you have any questions or need any further advice, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Until next time.